Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. So, today we'll do the pending portion of the chapter Weather, Climate, and Adaptation of Animals to Climate. Right? So, let's start. Climate and Adaptation. Students, at several places such as desert, polar region, climate is very harsh. In this harsh weather condition, many organisms live. Animals and plants live in this condition is very difficult, but they develop their certain feature which helps them to survive in the extreme climate. To develop certain features in order to survive in an extreme climate is called adaptation. For example, camel has a hump to store food in the form of fat. Right? Today we'll do adaptation in polar region. In polar region, the sun does not set for about 6 months and it does not appear for another 6 months of the year. These regions are covered with snow for most part of the year. In winter, the temperature falls down to minus 37 degrees Celsius. The climate of the polar region become extreme and harsh. In such conditions, animals like polar bear, penguin, these animals which are living at these places, they adapted and which helps adapted the climate and which helps them in surviving in harsh climate of the polar region. Now we'll talk about polar bear. Students, polar bear have two has polar bear has two thick layers of fur over its body. They have a thick layer of fat under the skin that is called blubber. This layer acts as an insulator and prevent the bear from extreme cold. Because of the white fur, polar bear can easily mix with snowy background and can hide from prey and predator. Right? Polar bear have white fur which camouflages it with white snow. Body of polar bear is covered with dense fine fur that traps air to keep them warm. Polar bear possesses wide and large paws having long, curved and sharp claws. Polar bear goes for swimming to cool itself on warm days. Skin of polar bear under the fur is actually black in color. Strong claws of polar bear helps in digging the snow. Polar bear has strong sense of smell to locate its enemy and its prey. The polar bear finds the seal's breathing hole in the ice and waits patiently. The polar bear's huge teeth help in tearing its prey apart. Polar bear undergo hibernation. Hibernation means they migrate from one place to another. Now about the penguin. In penguin, we can say penguins are another example of animals found in polar regions. Penguins are white in color. Penguin's body is white on the front and black on the back. Penguins have thick layer of fat, thick skin and dense cover. Right? They have similar adaptation as polar bear. Their white color helps them to camouflage with the snow. Their feather, thick skin and fat under the skin provide insulation against the cold. This keeps them warm. Penguins are also a good swimmer. Right? Now, birds. Birds use their feather to protect body from cold, and their protection is not enough for the extreme winter in the polar region. So student, the birds, they migrate themselves to warmer region. They migrate themselves to warmer regions. They go from winter region to polar region to warmer region. Okay, in winter you can see the migratory birds in the Bharatpur and Sultanpur bird sanctuary in India. They back to Siberia in the polar region after winter is over. Right? Now about seals. Seals have a thick deposition of fat called blubber. They protect them from the cold. Right? Now about the tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest. In this tropical region has generally a hot climate because of its location around the equator. Even in the coldest month, the temperature is generally higher than about 15 degrees Celsius. During hot summer, the temperature may cross 40 degrees Celsius. Days and night are almost equal in length. The major types of animals living in the rainforest are monkey, apes, gorillas, tigers, elephants, leopard, lizards, snakes, bird, insects, etc. Okay. Now, the tropical regions. In this, how the adaptation to hot and wet climate. In this, the tropical regions are located near the equator. As I told you, they have hot and wet climate. Since this kind of climate support plant growth, the tropical region are full of dense rainforest. The rainforest support a large variety of animals. This is because of the warm climate, constant supply of water and availability of wide variety of food, but their large number also means intense competition of food and shelter. For many animals in tropical rainforest are adapted to live in trees. These are called arboreal animals. For example, monkey. Monkey have a long prehensile tail for grasping tree branches. Their hands and feet are also modified. Red-eyed tree frog has developed their sticky pad on its feet to help it to climb trees on which it lives. Then toucans are brightly colored bird with long, large and colorful beaks. They make their nest in tree hollows and holes excavated by other animals. They are primarily frugivorous, or it means fruit eating, but also prey upon insect and small reptile. Students, some animals eat food that is eaten by no other animal. For example, chicken. It uses its long and large bill to reach fruit on weak branches that cannot bear its weight or weight of another animal. The lion-tailed macaque. The lion-tailed macaque, which lives in rainforest of Western Ghat, it is adapted to live in tropical rainforest. Its outstanding characteristic is the silver white mane, which surrounds the head from cheeks down to its chin. So the monkey is also known as bear ape. Lion-tailed macaque is a good climber and lives on tree. It gets all the food it needs on tree and hardly ever comes down. It mainly eats fruits as well as other plant parts. It also catches insects from under the bark of trees. Now, elephant is well adapted to living in rainforest. Nose of elephant is modified in the form of trunk. It has a strong sense of smell because it uses long trunk as a nose. It uses its trunk to pull down fruits and leaves to eat. It uses its tusks to tear the bark from the trees which it eats. It uses its long ear to hear even soft sound and also to cool itself in the hot and humid climate. Thank you.